So today I'll be showing you how I make my fried rice in such a way that it doesn't get spoiled easily. Even without putting it in the fridge, it will still stay for more than a day. So sit back and enjoy. And do you know what? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because you'll be getting a lot of amazing recipe from my channel. So to make fried rice, you will need, I will be using 3 cups of rice, curry powder, seasoning, fried rice spice is optional actually. Can you see? Your green pepper, carrots, green peas, cabbage, bay leaf, onions. I don't really like much onion, so I'll be using small amounts. Baked beans. So the first thing I'll be doing is to wash my rice and parboil for like 15 minutes. So I'll add little salt to this, then cover. So while my rice is boiling, I will continue with cutting of my ingredients. So we need to sieve this, then start frying our ingredients. Fry pan on the gas or cooker, whatever you are using. Then add vegetable oil, like 3 spoons of vegetable. Add your onion, spring onion. Add your green pepper and stir for like 30 seconds. Add your green peas, carrots, add your bouillon cube, curry powder. You must ensure your curry powder is not too much so that you won't end up having yellow fried rice. Add your sweet corn. I'll be adding this to you, though this is optional. I'll add my cabbage. Immediately I add my cabbage, I will off the fire because your vegetables should not stay for too long. In fact, you may not need to fry your vegetables, but just for it to stay longer when you don't have a fridge. That is the purpose of frying this for just 2 to 3 minutes. So add like half cup of water, put it on your stove or gas or cooker. Then the remaining seasoning, add it to the water. So you have to allow this water to boil. Once the water starts boiling, you add your parboiled rice to it. So you add your parboiled rice to the boiling water that has the ingredients in it. If the water has dried, you must ensure the water dried very well, because once you off the gas now, the next thing you do is to pour all those ingredients that you have stir fried for 2-3 minutes and your rice is ready. You don't need to add that while the rice is still cooking. No, it will have been overdone and that is not good. So the water has dried and I've off my gas. Then I will add my ingredients. Those ones with stir fried. Can you see? Just like mix it together. Then you have it, your fried rice. Isn't this beautiful? See how appetizing the rice is looking. You need to taste this. Please ensure you try this at home.